want to hear from a few of you. What's working? What do you have happening?
I've been doing summits, so I've been focusing on summits. I'm getting better at storytelling, which is super good. But I had my first 20K week. So it's billable. It's going to come over time.
What do you think you can attribute that to?
The storytelling and callbacks. I've never done callbacks. And it was so, oh my God, I'm going to cry. It was so hard. But remember the last little snippet we did, and I was like, what do I say? So I've just been calling back. I'm like, you signed up for Unstoppable Confidence. I just wanted to check in and see how you're doing. When do you want to set up a friggin' call? And boom, boom, boom.
I led a live webinar on Friday for San Diego Employers Association, and there was 11 people who showed up, which I was happy about. It's had some technical issues, but I got a new client out of it, and 7 of them signed up to be on my for my freebie. I've been holding myself accountable with a girl I met at the New York conference, just for the 7 reach outs a day, like you said. And I just feel this energy shifting, right? Like momentum, and it's exciting. And I've signed 2 new clients to a 12-month and a 8-month and a 4-month program, or 3 new clients.
I am finding I am much more present when I'm speaking live anywhere now, and I'm getting some really good feedback on the lives that I'm doing in any festivals or any speaking event, in saying that my story is captivating, that I've got people on the edge of their seats, and that they're really drawn into what I'm saying, and it feels very natural and professional. And I'm sharing that because that's everything that I wanted to achieve. And I think the rest is coming, and it feels good. And I'm celebrating that because the program's working for me.
Loving all of you. Come on, bring it to me, Quilting Mama.
I've sold 3 shops into my event, so that's 60 people. And this is pre-sales, so this isn't even going to the main event. I spent the last week going through and grabbing over 3,000 email addresses for quilt shops and going through all the can spam and doing cold emails and getting responses. Oh, and I've got a speaking engagement totally unrelated related to the other side. On Sunday, I'm speaking to a group on adapting for success.
I am with my team preparing for this launch of the masterclass, and suddenly out of the blue, I received a request for calls with me. And I was curious, how do they know about masterclass? They didn't, but they heard me speak maybe several months ago, and they kept my contact information and they applied for consultation. And I just mentioned the programs that I'm planning to offer, and they bought it on the spot. But I guess the offer was so compelling, I offered the discount if they make the decision right on a call.
Good for you. Good for you. Kathy, go ahead.
So far this week, it's Wednesday. I've had 6 speaking gigs. I've had about, I think, 18 book-a chats, and I've had 1 sold client.
I went to Speakonomics with eWomen. 5 of my clients were there. And my clients were promoting me. They were saying, you need to do this for you. And one of them said, you just need to even treat yourself, but you need to do it for you. So it was great to hear my clients promoting me. I ran not big money, but still pretty big, $1,960 this morning. I have a call from that Speakonomics because the person that said, my client that told this other person that will be stepping on stages, she has a little speaking part in early November. She said, okay, Arlene, I want to talk to you about what I should wear for that little speaking part that I have. So I have my call.
Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. All right, Margaret Ann Kellogg.
I'm really excited because I finally have scaled my business. I have sold out 2 treatment programs, a level 1 and a level 2. So the second one, you just rinse and repeat, and all of the classes, all of the information's there. It was like, oh my gosh, I raised my price on the second level 1, $500 just to see, and the procedure's becoming easy to do the marketing classes, workshops,
I'm so happy for you. I'm so proud of you. And all of you, look at what you've done. Look at what you've done as a collective. Look at what you've done as an individual.